Friday bafethu le awunthola nalaphiwa bafethu no speakile bayidrophile bafethu wangidisappoint nathi mengithi awuyadlala because ngiyamazi umuntu uthanda amahlaya vele hayi ngempela abayidrophile bafethu even though is another vision is not the same beat ebeyenza ngayo challenge but hayi bafethu hayi yabona ngoma lena bafethu I relate in this song. You understand? I relate in this song because this song is talking about someone opusha empilweni yakhe ufuna uzibona ephumelele efuna uzibona right but ukhona lezinja lezi nemigodoyi ebusy ithuka wena or ebusy zama ukustop ukuthi ungafiki la ufike khona yayibona lento leyo. Anyway, if umuntu owazi ukuthi wena nje yazi yonke into yenzayo abantu bayagcikela phansi bayikhuluma kabi, this song is yours. You understand? Unalethi uyishayile igama layithi bayazibuza nalethi cool flavor and speakile angithola uSpeakile ungene kamnandi lapha inkabi yami lapha yana yibona avela asenza proud sizinsizwe yibona yonto leyo. Anyway bafethu, it's a nice song and I love the fact that Nadapiwe bafethu is growing career yakhe and is becoming a better musician of South Africa and we're proud because azini sisemncane lo mntana lona and uza kahle ngolayini ngoshuni into enhle bafethu yanconywa into enhle bafethu sayisupporta akukho okudlula lokho bafethu ngicela somlalisa nje kancane nje nibuza uthini lo mntwana lo nayiva leyo nto leyo because nakashaye kakhulu
What was
bafethu ayigeke South Africa is well talented bafethu ayingeke no Speakile ungenile nawabulala bafethu angithola message kancane nje yabo but mina mainstream guys ayingeke phela ngizwe yonke ingoma hawu
abona bazoba Speakile yebo yizwa futhi abanye letsizwa ithemba lahlwa ayike Speakile zama ukuthenga amanda bathi ethandeni wena mama ngelo wena uyisosha nami